naami karon diri sa Silliman University to conduct seminars on Darag Native Chicken, on Itik Pinas, to share information and to encourage our farmers to adopt these newly developed native poultry species in the country. Basically, the development of the Darag Native Chicken is based on breeding and selection for purification. So, ang atong gihimo from the mongrel type native chickens that we have in the Philippines, nipili ta og certain genetic groups and we purify them. Ato silang gi-purify para naatay grupo sa native chicken na uniform ang ilahang physical characteristics, predictable ang ilahang production performance, and mahimong consistent ang ilahang product quality. Through breeding and selection, we are able to develop genetic groups, or I would say breeds of native animals that already possess the uniformity, the predictability of the production performance, and consistent product quality. To make use of these native resources in building enterprises para magamit nato sila sa pagnegosyo.